My name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Oh, we've got a killer bee here today. 1969 Dodge Super Bee. This thing is hot. It is slick looking, high performance 383, 4-speed sticking out of the floor right there. And wait till the end of the video and hear how this thing sounds. It's just an awesome car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the information, study the pictures, and that is where you'll find a price tag on every one of our cars, along with a monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be notified when the new videos are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, underneath this car, rock solid. The floor pans, frame rails, rockers, quarters, all look to be original metal, good solid metal with a nice undercoat, nice clean black undercoat. The front end components look to be really good. Our shop did inspect this car. As a matter of fact, it went through the shop so fast and then there was no ticket filled out. So I called the mechanic, why did you guys skip this car? He said they didn't skip it. They did their inspection. They did not find one thing wrong with the car. I think that's a first in a long time where we haven't had to fix anything. So anyway, the mechanics are good. It's been inspected. Up front, I can see new bushings on the sway bar, and the components look nice and clean. They did upgrade it to KYB gas shocks all the way around. It looks like the rear leaf springs have been replaced. You can see new hardware and bushings. The fuel system's been replaced. The tank is real clean, and the sending unit's replaced too, I'm sure. Brakes have been worked on. The hoses, the brake lines look new. The e-brake cables hooked up. Great sounding dual exhaust, Flowmaster mufflers with the correct chrome tips coming out the back. You look up at the motor, it is a rebuilt motor. I have the invoice. Looking up at the motor, it's still immaculate. It's not greasy. The freeze plugs look brand new. And casting numbers and the casting date are correct for this car. It is a 383 1969 motor. The 4-speed transmission, that's actually VIN number matched to this car. So it is the original. I think that's an 833 4-speed transmission that's in there. Drive shaft looks like it's been rebuilt. The U-joints are clean. In back, has a correct 1969, probably the original for the car, 8 3/4 rear end with 323 gears. So underneath the car, clean, tidy, proper. Now the body is outstanding. It did not look this good, brand new in 1969, sitting on the showroom floor. This thing's laser beam straight. I mean, everywhere you look, across the hood, down the sides, laser beam straight. No rust, no damage, no bubbles, all lines up real nice. I've already crawled around it, like all around this openings right here, all nice and clean, no bubbles, all nice, all lines up, no issues. Body is excellent. It's an original B5 blue car. They repainted it B5 blue. It's all one color. It's all even. It's not blotchy. The metal flake is laid out the way it's supposed to be. The clear coat is polished like glass. Literally, this car is like a mirror. I always say this, maybe I missed a flaw, but I couldn't find a flaw in the paint. I didn't find a chip, a bubble, a crack. I couldn't find anything wrong with it. The paint, no rock chips up here. Oh, here we go. Here's some touch-ups right on the edge. Blends in real nicely. So practically a flawless paint job. It's slick. The chrome sparkles on the car. The grille is all in excellent shape. The bumpers are like show chrome. They're like a mirror. The grills are chrome trim here on the hood scoop is new. Looks like a very good original antenna. The emblems, the wheel well moldings are new. Has the pen star down here. New door handles. Windshield's original. It's very good. Has some little rock nicks in the glass, and all the stainless trim is nice and straight. It's not new, but it's all real nice. Vinyl top does look new. The rear window's crystal clear. Of course, you got the Super Bee Bumblebee striper on the back. I love the Super Bee emblem on these cars. The tail lights, tail panel, that's all mint. Like I said, show quality chrome on the bumper. The wheels, the stance, I mean, that's tough looking. I'm guessing they're 15x7 Magnum 500s in front, 15x8 in back. So it's extra wide, beefier tires in back, so it gives it that muscle car stance. But I mean, these wheels look amazing on any car. It looks really good on this car, especially the way they sized them. So yeah, I think it's a hot looker. Let's open it up. We'll show you the inside. All right, let's show you what the inside of a trunk looks like on a Super Bee. Beautiful. Under the trunk lid, look how nice and slick that's painted. It has the decal. And then even into the jamb, it's painted real nice. The weather strip looks new. And the whole trunk compartment, all solid metal. It's all painted blue. I think they even clear coated the trunk, so it's nice and durable. You got a tire that's never been used on a painted rim. It has the complete jack assembly, even the lug wrench. So you have a nice, clean, and complete trunk compartment. Love that Super Bee logo. Love those wheels. Looks like you're going to get 2 or 3 sets of keys with this car too. Nice Super Bee keychain. Now, door jambs are just as clean as the outside. I bought the car out of Alabama. Weather strips are replaced. Door panel, the armrest, the handle, the window crank, all that looks new. The metal trim is all repainted real nice. When you come inside the car, I'm very impressed with the whole instrument panel. Usually this is cut or broken or drilled. It does have a tachometer with a working clock and the full set of gauges, but the whole instrument panel is in really nice shape. New dash pad, the heater controls look good, radio looks good. I do see there is a crack right here, so barely noticeable, but there is a crack. All this is in real nice shape. Steering wheel looks mint. Down on the floor, we got real nice blue carpet with matching floor mats. The best part of it all, though, is this Hurst shifter sticking out of the floor. Then the seats, bucket seats, they're reupholstered real nice. The complete set of original blue seat belts. The headrests look new. Back seats in real nice shape. You got the seat belts, the side panels, the armrest, window cranks, all look great. All the trim inside the car, like around the back window, the rear shelf, it's all excellent. Headliner, mint, tight as a drum, working dome light, the visors, the mirror, all that stuff is in excellent shape. It's a very, very tidy car everywhere, from the door jambs to the trunk to the dash. I did just notice a nick on the door panel on this side, so I said they look like new. There is one small nick. More tidiness right here. This is a detailed show quality motor compartment. Look how fresh it is. So the 383 motor, completely rebuilt. It was bored. The crank was balanced. New pistons, Lunati cam, a Lunati double roller timing chain. The heads were rebuilt. Up on top, it does have an Edelbrock Performer 383, a dual feed helicarb with the premium lines and fittings, electric choke, flamethrower coil, all new distributor, has date-coded Mopar wires, correct manifolds, valve covers, air cleaner, The front of the motor, the alternator, the pulleys, the fan, all that's real clean. And it says the correct Mopar radiator. They did put in overflow bottles. You're not dumping overflow on the ground. But it has the correct cap, reproduction hoses and clamps, even the heater hoses. Now over here you got the Chrysler bottle with the pump. All the squirters are hooked up. Has the clips and clamps. The horns are hooked up. A reproduction Mopar battery bolted down properly. Now you won't see it, but the VIN number is, the hidden VIN number stamped here, matches the car. And we have the original fender tag right here. That's the original. And obviously the whole engine bay is beautiful metal, painted real nice. The firewall, all the components, everything in here is really clean. Got hood insulation, bottom of the hood's painted. So show quality motor compartment for sure. Yeah, I love the way this sounds. I sent a guy down to Alabama to look at this car. He sent me a little video clip of him running. That's what sold me on it. The reverse light inside here works. Gauges are working. All the gauges are clean. They look new. What a nice car. I'm telling you, this thing is proper, it's tidy, it's complete. I mean, literally nothing to do. Put gas in it, get your little spray bottle and your microfiber rag to keep it dusted, and that's it. This thing's ready to go show off to your neighbors. It's ready to go win some trophies, but it's going to turn some heads. This is a hot car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer whatever questions you may still have. They'll help get this delivered to your door. They'll help you with that financing if you need it at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe and you got to click the bell icon. That way you're given a notification when a new video is posted. Thanks for watching.